Hi guys, welcome to English, Mr. Kabado, Model Basic Writing Skill Exit Exam Questions. So questions are basically based on the blueprints and focusing on the following titles. The first one is sentence error, which is a key for basic writing skill, the type of sentence error and how we correct the errors, and paragraph writing, meso paragraph development, types of paragraph, and sentence structure, sentence inflection, types of conjunctions, the coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, conjunctive adverb, and subordinating conjunctions, as well as the relative pronouns. And the other elements of paragraph writing, elements of paragraph, what says, and that's called was introduction, body, conclusion, how we conclude paragraph, how we write an introduction, and part of sentence, subject and predicate, the three types of subject, the three types of predicate, and quality of writing paragraph. All these are included for your exit exam questions. Basically, the blueprint, basic writing skill blueprint focus on this content. So I'm intended to prepare or are focused on these contents, and the question is basically focused on these contents that I have written or that I'm talking now, please. Yeah, as soon as possible I'll give you time to try to answer the questions by yourself, and then I'll give you the correct answer by giving clear clarifications. Let me start the question, please. I enjoy dancing a lot. I didn't have time to do more. It can be corrected at this means that the sentence by itself has a problem, right? Has a problem. Has a problem means it doesn't carry any meaning. So what kind of sentence it is? Sentence error is this? መጀመሪያ ሰንተንሱን ስታነቡ ምን አይነት አረፍተ ነገር ነው? ስህተቱ ምንድነው? መጀመሪያ ያ እና እንዴት እናስተካክለው እንችላለን ነው። ኦልራይት ስህተቱ ካልታወቀ ማስተካከል አትችሉም፣ ያስቸግቻል። ስለዚህ ፍራግመንት ነው፣ ረን ኦን ነው፣ ኮማ ስፕላይስ፣ ሚስፕሌስ ዳንግሊንግ ነው፣ እሱ መለየት ነው። So right, I enjoy dancing a lot. I didn't have time to do more. The problem here is comma splice. Alright? Comma splice ማለት wrong use of comma or a sentence which doesn't need any kind of punctuation mark that makes the sentence meaningless. Alright? አንድ ሁለት ሜን ክሎዞች በመካከላቸው ያላስፈላጊነት ምንም ሳያስፈልጋቸው ኮማ መክተት ኮማ ስፕላይስ ማለት ነው፣ ወይም ሮንግ ዩዝ ኦፍ ኮማ ማለት ነው፣ ኮማ ስፕላይስ ማለት። ኦልራይት ስለዚህ ይሄን እንዴት እናስተካክለዋለን? ፎር ዌይስ አለን። ይሄን ስናስተካክል አራት መንገዶች አሉ። የመጀመሪያው መንገድ ለሚ ኤክስፕሌን፣ የመጀመሪያው መንገድ በሁለቱ ክሎዞች መካከል ፉል ስቶፕ ፔሪድ ማድረግ፣ ላይክ ዚስ ፔሪድ ማድረግ። ይሄው ጨረሰ። የመጀመሪያው መንገድ ይሄ ነው። ራይት። ሁለተኛው መንገድ you can put here semicolon ማድረግ፣ ይሄ አንድ ሁለተኛው መንገድ ነው። ሶስተኛው መንገድ you can just use any kind of appropriate coordinating conjunctions followed by comma። ሊያያይዛችሁ የሚችል coordinating conjunction ኮማን በማስከተል ለምሳሌ I enjoyed dancing a lot. I didn't have time but yeah like this here። ይሄው ጨረሳችሁ። እዚሁ ላይ አስተካከል ነው። yes look here, I enjoy dancing a lot but I didn't have time to do more. Exactly, we have seen three ways. ሶስት መንገድ አለን። በዚህ የተገለጸውን ሐሳብ መፈለግ ነው የሚጠበቅብን ማለት ነው። ናይስ። አራተኛው መንገድ use appropriate subordinating conjunction followed by semicolon maybe if necessary and follow preceded by commas as እንዳስፈላጊነቱ። I enjoyed dancing a lot. Yes, however ልንል እንችላለን። however right please like this እንደዚህ ተጠቀም እችላለሁ። ይሄ ሌላ መንገድ ነው። ስለዚህ በስንት መንገድ አስተካከል ነው ማለት ነው? በአራት መንገድ አስተካከላችሁ። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው? I enjoy dancing a lot on the other hand, no on the other hand here. I enjoy dancing a lot so that no the result አይደለም ይሄ። so the answer is C. the answer is C ማለት ነው። ማለት C ቀደም ልክ እንዳየነው ሁለት ሾርት ሜን ክሎዞችን በምን እናያያዝ እንችላለን? በሰሚኮለን ልንለይ እንችላለን። ፕሊዝ በሰሚኮለንስ። so the answer is here. Right. Here the answer is here. Let me mark it please. ላክል አድርገው here I enjoy dancing a lot semicolon I didn't have time to do more. One of the ways of correcting for comma splice or run-on sentence አንዱ መንገድ ነው because the sentence are short and related coordinate clause can be separated with semicolon and it has the same meaning with the four ways please. Now there was a bad accident on this on the highway many people got hurt. The type of sentence error. Yeah, read is the sentence please. There was a bad accident on the highway many people got hurt. The type of sentence error ምን አይነት ስህተት ነው ያለው ያረፍተ ነገር? There was a bad accident on the highway many people got hurt. Yes right. The fragment ነው run on comma splice misplaced dangling subject verb pronoun antecedent faulty parallelism. Yeah right. skip fragment ምንድን incomplete thought አይደለም run on ልክ ነው run on two main clauses cannot be separated or two main clauses do not have any kind of punctuation mark that is run on sentence ማለት ነው ሁለት main clauses በመካከላቸው ምንም አይነት main clause ምንም አይነት punctuation mark ሳይኖራቸው ሲቀርና አረፍተ ነገሩ ልክ አንድ አረፍተ ነገር ሲመስል ማለት ነው ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ምንድነው run on sentence ነው የምትሉት run on sentence ይሄው እዚህ ጋር yes look here እዚህ ጋር ቆማችሁ ይሄ አንዱ ሐሳብ ነው there was a bad accident on the highway many people got hurt ሌላ አረፍተ ነገር ተፈጠረ ማለት so it can be capitalized here ይሄው አንዱ መንገድ በዚህ በቃል ተሳከላችሁት there was a bad accident on the highway and many people got hurt absolutely right አንድ መንገድ ነው ስለዚህ ሰንተንሱ የምን ችግር ነው ያለበት run on sentence ነው misplaced አይደለም ወይም dangling modifier አይደለም that is please ስለዚህ ስታነቡ በደንብ ይታሳቡን nice that I met him the type of sentence error is that I met him what kind of sentence error do you get anything from this does this phrase or maybe or this clause maybe or this sentence maybe can give a complete sentence ይሄ clause or phrase ይሄ አረፍተ ነገር ካላችሁ maybe አረፍተ ነገር ሙሉ ሐሳብ ይሰጣችኋል ካልሰጠ fragment ነው yes fragment ማለት is maybe it's a phrase maybe it's a clause which doesn't give complete meaning or incomplete thought totally right a fragment occurs maybe there is a relative pronoun but it doesn't have any main clause maybe there is subject no verb there is verb no subject there is just right የተቆረጠ ሐሳብ ነው that I meet him ሲል no meaning at all right ይሄ incomplete thought ማለት ነው no meaning at all ለምሳሌ the person that I meet him yesterday was my uncle ልችላለሁ the person that I meet or I meet him that the person that I meet him last time is my uncle my neighbor አሁን meaningful አደረኩት ምን ይፈልጋል ይሄ ሐሳብ main clause ይፈልጋል ይሄ dependent clause ወይም relative clause ነው ስለዚህ እንደነዚህ አይነት ነገሮች fragment ይባላሉ የሚጎላቸው ነገር አለ ማለት ነው right I enjoy reading magazines question number 4 I enjoy reading magazines rather than to clean my room it can be corrected as because the sentence has a problem right አረፍተ ነገሩ አንድ ስህተት አለበት የትኛው sentence error ነው መጀመሪያ ለዩት ከሱን ከለያችሁ በኋላ በየትኛው መንገድ ላስተካክለው ይችላልው ነው አለበለዚያ ግን ዝም ብዬ ባየውና no አይሆንም ለመለሳውም to save your time and come to on the right track you identify the type of sentence error that's the best way please so no I enjoy reading magazines rather than to clean my room the problem is ምንድነው ፕሮብለሙ all right problemu እዚህ ጋር look I enjoy reading magazines which is gerund here እዚህ ጋር gerund አለኝ what is the conjunction after the conjunction የትኛው ነው እዚህ ጋር conjunction ይሄ ነው አያያዥ ቃሉ ይሄ ነው አይደል nice what is the structure after the conjunction እዚህ ጋር ያለው ነው የምታዩት structure እዚህ ጋር ስታዩት so different structure ነው ያላችሁ meaningless ነው no meaning at all because እዚህ ጋር ing አለ እዚህ ጋር infinitive verb አለ so wrong meaning ምንድነው ስህተቱ faulty parallelism ትሉታላችሁ because the structure in a given sentence doesn't have the same form the same structure so it doesn't convey meaning right ይሄ ነው አንድ basic የሆነ ነገር writing skill ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ተመሳሳይ expression ተመሳሳይ structure ምን አለበት ስለዚህ ይሄን ከለየው በኋላ ማሳከቻው I enjoy reading magazines rather than to cleaning no ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር reading to cleaning no is wrong please I enjoy reading magazines rather than to clean no different form here I enjoy reading magazines rather than clean still different form I enjoy reading magazines rather than cleaning exactly this one I want መፈልገው ጉዳይ ይሄን ነው ይሄው እዚህ ጋር enjoy and rather than cleaning rather than cleaning ይሄ ነው ምንድነው faulty parallelism ማለት focus attentionናቸው ከverb በፊት ያሉት structure እና ከverb በኋላ ማን ነው ከአያያዥ ቃል በፊት ከአያያዥ ቃል በፊት ያለው sentence structure እና ከአያያዥ ቃል በኋላ ያለው sentence structure parallel ከሆነ አስተካከላችሁት parallel ካልሆነ ደግሞ faulty parallelism faulty ማለት wrong sentence structure ማለት ነው if the first is past ከሆነ second past ይሆናል infinitive phrase ከሆነ infinitive phrase adjective ከሆነ adjective or gerund ከሆነ gerund another form just like this ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ምንድነው የሚሆነው I enjoy ይሄ ትክክል ነው nice question number 5 hearing the bad news the good news happiness was mine it can be corrected as hearing the good news happiness was mine it can be yes right ዝም ብላችሁ አረፍተ ነገሩን ስታዩት ይሄ what kind of sentence error is this dangling modifier አላችኋል because dangling modifier the principal subject is not similar with the implied subject በሌላ አገላለጽ ሁለቱ ሰብጀክቶች ፓራላል አይደሉም ወይም ሞዲፋየሩ መግለጽ የሚገባው ሞዲፋይ አይገልጽም ወይም ይሄ ማለት ነው ሞዲፋየር ምትሉት ይሄ dangling modifier ይሄ dangling modifier ይሄ dangling modifier የዚህን main clause subject አይገልጽውም ነው ይሄ አይገልጽውም ካልገለጸ ደግሞ ፕሮብለም አለ ወይም በሌላ አገላለጽ እዚህ ጋር ያለ subject እና implied subjectቱ ተመሳሳይ ያረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት መኖር አለባቸው ወይም deer of action ተመሳሳይ መሆን አለበት እንደዚህ ከሆነ ልክ ነው ሰንተንሱ ችግር የለበትም አሁን ግን just hearing the good news happiness is mine nice please ይሄ አረፍተ ነገር የሚያወራው ስለማን ነው mine ይሄውላችሁ እዚህ ጋር ፍንጭ ሰጥቷቸዋል happiness was mine exactly sometimes ይሄ ካልተገለጸ you can write the speaker maybe might be he she I they ሊሆን ይችላል but it's already close to ወደ አንድ ነገር ተወስዷል ስለዚህ mine ነው የሚላችሁ ስለዚህ አረፍተ ነገሩ ምን ማለት ነው while hearing the good news ብዬ ነው የምገልጸው yes while I was hearing the good news ብዬ ነው የምገልጸው no he no she ልላል ይችላል ማለት ነው so principle ይሄ ነው so hearing the good news I was happy exactly ይሄ ማለት ነው ምንም ወደዛ መሄድ አይተበቅብኝም hearing the good news I was happy because it talks about I myself first please ይሄ ማለት hearing the good news ማለት while I was hearing the good news ማለት ነው yes while like this while I was ይሄው while I was hearing the good news ማለት ነው አሁን እንደዚህ መጻፍ እችላለሁ while I was hearing the good news or while hearing or you can say ሁለተኛው መንገድ እቺን small letter ላድርጋትና like this look here while hearing the good news I was happy who was hearing the good news I myself right we have three ways of creating this dangling modifier please there is also another way ሌላ መንገድም አለ ሶስተኛ መንገድ አለን you can just write this implied subject with past passive ways of course if things which are difficult to treat it to make equal subject you can sometimes write just like this all right hearing the good news I found ሌሎቹ መልስ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም wrong ናቸው so the answer is this one please question number 6 on his way home Marcos found a woman's diamond ring this type of sentence error look here on his way home Marcos found a woman's diamond ring the type of sentence error is dangling modifier misplaced modifier run on sentence fragment አይደለም actually complete thought ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው dangling modifier ማለት because there is no or ሁለት main clauses እዚህ ጋር ያሉም ስለዚህ run on sentence አይደለም እዚህ ጋር ስለዚህ ማን ነው የምትሉት misplaced modifier ነው misplaced modifier ነው በዚህ መልኩ ነው በሾርት የምትመልሱት ፕሊስ misplaced there is a modifier which can be situated in a wrong place ማለት ነው modifier አለ modifier prepositional phrase ሊሆን ይችላል adjective adverb or maybe relative clause ሊሆን ይችላል modify ማድረግ የሚገባው ነገር modify ሳያደርግ የብቻው ተፈናጥሮ ሲቀመጥ that is called misplaced wrong placed of modifier ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ማን ነው modifieraችሁ ይሄ ነው modifieraችሁ ይሄ ነው እንደዚህ ነው የምትገልጹት please yes Marcos found a woman's diamond ring is wrong please እንደዚህ አይደለም mound Marcos found a diamond look here Marcos found a diamond woman's ring ነው ስለዚህ የት ላይ ነው የምትጽፉት diamond እዚህ ጋር ነው የምትጽፉት a diamond woman's ring ሞዲፋየሩ እዚህ ጋር ነው የሚገልጸው yes ስለዚህ ይሄ ነው ሞዲፋየሩ በዚህ መልኩ እናሳክላለን number 7 the sun was shining brightly We decided to go for a picnic. Which sentence correctly joined? We have two main clauses here. How can we combine this sentence or to join this sentence to make one? One, you do understand the meaning of the sentence whenever we join with one of the conjunctions, either correlative, correlating, subordinating, conjunctive adverbs. እሱ ነው የምትለዩት። በአያያዥ ቃሎች ሳያይዘው የትኛውን አያያዥ ቃል ይፈልገኛል? እሱን the sun is shining brightly. We decided for picnic. Yeah, right. All right, we decided to go picnic. The sun is shining, comma, no comma is still another problem. Run on sentence ሆነ ማለት ነው። Not run comma splice ሆነ። ስለዚህ አይደለም. We decided to go for a picnic because the sun is shining. Exactly. The sun is shining. Exactly. So the answer is reason ነው የሚፈልጋችሁ። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው? Because ማለት ነው በsubordinating conjunction reason cause ማለት ነው። Exact. Number 8. Number 8 in skewed. Blank the bell rang. The students left the classroom. Blank the bell rang. The students left the classroom. Conjunction question. But, so, when, for. But, coordinating to contrast ሀሳብ ተቃራኒ ሀሳቦችን so result when time for reason. So the answer is what? The bell rang. But you cannot begin a sentence with the word but. That's all right. You cannot begin also true is true. በቀላሉ የምትመልሱት በሶስቱም conjunctions አረፍተ ነገሩ ሊጀምሩ አትችሉም። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማለት ነው when the bell rang the students left the classroom means both two different things events happened at the same time. When the bell rang the students left the classroom. ልክ እንደተደወለ ተማሪዎች ከክፍል ለቀው ወጥተዋል። ሁለቱ አክሽኖች በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት ወይም በክሎዝ ታይም መፈጸማቸው የምንገልጽበት ነው። Anyway, the answer is when. She practiced, we look here. She practiced for many hours. She didn't win the competition. Which sentence is correctly joined ነው? Appropriate conjunction ነው የሚላችሁ። ይሄንም ቅድም በሰራችሁት መንገድ ነው። She practiced for many years. She didn't win the competition. Actually, contrast view ነው ያለው አይደል? contrast ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች ናቸው ያሉት። so ይሄንን ማያይዝበት coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction ወይም conjunctive adverbs ነው የምታስቡት please. She practiced for many years because now although she practiced for many years she didn't win the competition. Exactly. So that's a subordinate conjunction appropriate ነው። ምንም እንኳን ለብዙ ሰዓት ብትለማመድም ኮምፒቲሽን ወይም ውድድሩን ማሸነፍ አልቻለችም ነበር። ቀደም ልክ እንዳልኳችሁ ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ዝም በዚሁ ላይ ጥያቄው ላይ ስታያቸው ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች ናቸው። ሪዘልት አይደሉም፣ ኮዝ ኢፌክት አይደሉም፣ ኮምፓሪሽን አይደሉም፣ ኮንትራስት አይደሉም ወይም ኮንዲሽን አይደሉም። so appropriate conjunction also ብቻ ነው የሚሆነው please. Interesting. Question number 10. Which sentence contains compound predicate? All right. Compound predicate አሁን ምንድነው? You know what compound predicate means? Compound predicate. Predicate means verb or a verb is a predicate or a verb plus other element is a predicate. Yeah. We have three predicates: simple predicate, compound predicate, and complete predicate. Compound predicate ማለት to a sentence which has two predicates combined or joined by and or any kind of coordinating conjunctions. Right? Compound predicate ማለት አንድ አረፍተ ነገር ሁለት የተለያዩ ቨርቦችን ሲይዝና ቨርቦቹ በተለያየ አያያዥ ቃል ሲያዙ we can say that compound predicate ይባላል። I'm talking about predicate, no subject. ስለ subject አይደለም ማወራው። ሁለት look here. Carpenters and construction workers arrive because there is simple predicate ነው ያለኝ እዚህ ጋር አይደለም ማለት ነው። simple predicate ነው መልሱ አይደለም። It takes many people to complete እሱም የለኝም። The project coordinator is the no እሱም an architect designs the buildings here. An architect designs the buildings, one predicate, and look here and prepares the blueprints. Exactly. ይሄው ስለዚህ ስንት ነገር አለኝ እዚህ ጋር ዲዛይን ማድረጉ አንደኛ፣ ብሉፕሪንት ማዘጋጀት ሁለተኛ። እነዚህ በመታያዙ በኮኦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጀንክሽን ሲያያዙ a sentence has compound predicate ትሉታላችሁ። the answer is D ብላችሁ ምትወልሱ compound predicate mean yes compound predicate። ይሄ ምንድነው ያለው simple predicate ትሉታላችሁ። simple predicate or simple predicate ወጣ ከsimple predicate complete predicate because there is a modifier which possibly expand the meaning of the simple predicate. We can say that ይሄ ምትሉታላችሁ complete predicate ነው ምትሉት complete predicate ምክንያቱም ሌሎቹ ሞዲፋየሮች ሞዲፋይ የሚያደርጉት ማለት ነው arrive የሚለውን verb ነው early to yes question number 11 Cherry studied at the Sang School for Interpretive Dance. She attended chair practice at the XY Music Academy, which best combined the sentence above using compound predicate. Compound predicate አድርጉት ነው የምትላቸው ምንም አያስቸግርም ሁለት አረፍተ ነገር አለ በማን የተሰራ በቸሪ ስለዚህ ይሄን ስታገናኙት ምን ይፈጠራል compound predicate ይሆናል ማለት ነው ምንም ጥርጥር የለው ይሄን እዚሁ ላይ ነው የምትገሉት ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምታደርጉት ይሄን እናስወግዱት እዚህ ጋር በኤንድ አያይዙ compound predicate ፈጠራችሁ ይሄን subject the same subject cherry ማለት she ማለት ነው pronoun ነው ይሄ noun actually she did different she studied and she attended right different verb አላችሁ different predicate አለ so we can combine this to make compound predicates that's right ስለዚህ Cherry studied at the Sang School for Interpretive Dance and at the XY now Cherry studied at the Sang School and at the XY for no verb የለኝም እዚህ ጋር now ፍሬዙን ብቻ ነው join ያደረገው Cherry studied at the Sang School for Interpretive Dance and attended exactly ይሄው attended here ይሄው የመጀመሪያው studied at ይሄው studied at this one the first predicate here ሁለቱ ፕሬዲኬቶች በማን ተያዙ በአያያዝ ቃል and ስለዚህ ይሄ አረፍተ ነገር compound predicate ማለት ነው so the answer is C ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁ absolutely you are on the right line please question number 12 which sentence contains misplaced modifier የትኛው አረፍተ ነገር ነው misplaced modifier I already defined what misplaced modifier means a modifier which doesn't modify what it wants to modify right modify ማድረግ የሚገባው modify ሳያደርግ ሲቀር misplaced ማለት while eating a sandwich Josie waved to the crowd ይሄ በነገራችን dangling modifier ነው of course dangling modifier ላይ misplaced ይኖራል of course ግን of course meaningful sentence ነው ይሄ meaningful sentence Josie waved to ልክ ነው covered the in full face yes the full fins the couple played with the kitten those the answer is here prepositional phrases are sometimes function as a misplaced modifier yes right ለምሳሌ with the kitten ማለት prepositional phrase ነው modifier ነው modify የሚያደርገው ማን ነው the couple እዚህ ጋር ነው የምትከቱት ይሄን with like this with the kitten እንደዚህ ካላችሁ ልክ ነው አስተካክላችሁት ይሄው እዚህ ጋር full stop ላድርገው እስኪ ይሄው with the couple yes just covered in full fins the couple with the kitten played exactly if you write the couple played with the kitten no meaning at all so this is the right sentence all right because the modifier here is what or which stayed far from the word or the phrase that it wants to modify የሚያደርገው ነገር አልሞት with the kitten ማለት ይሄ የሚገልጽላችሁ modify የሚያደርግላችሁ the couple እኮ ነው አይደል couple አሁን ልክ ነው modify ያደርጋል እንደ ቀድሙ ከተቀመጠ ግን ልክ አይደለም ማለት ነው right ልክ አይደለም ማለት ነው please nice so the answer is ማናላችሁ b ካላችሁ ልክ ናችሁ so number 13 which of the following sentence is correct having jumped out the cat attacked when the mouse jumped up የትኛው meaningful sentence ነው የምጠይቃችሁ ትርጉም ያለው አረፍተ ነገር of course dangling modifier ነው right order ካለ of course ልክ ነው having jumped up the cat attacked no meaning the cat attacked when the mouse jumped up exactly so the answer is here that's right please having jumped up the cat no meaning at all having jumped up the cat the mouse attacked no dangling modifier no meaning at all please yeah question number 14 which of the following sentence doesn't contain a misplaced modifier yes right doesn't contain a misplaced modifier ሌሎቹ misplaced modifier አላቸው አንዱ ግን misplaced modifier የለውም correct and meaningful sentence ነው የሚላችሁ guys dyed purple Bailey enjoys the blanket right okay pulled apart Choris ate the kitten corn bag all right jumping up the kitten caught the treat eating the kettle corn the bag chewed eating the kettle corn the bag chewed So what the answer here? Parambiyut, which one does not contain misplaced modifier? Misplaced modifier ያልሆነው ከነዚህ ውስጥ የትኛው ነው? አረፍተ ነገሩ ዳንግሊንግ ሞዲፋየር ናቸው። ዳንግሊንግ ሞዲፋየር ላይ misplaced modifier አለ። Dyed purple, ይሄ of course meaningful ነው። ምክንያቱም ሰብጀክቱ ተመሳሳይ ነው። Right, pulled apart. Cherries ate the kitten corn bag. So the answer is A ካላችሁ በትክክል መልሳችሁታል። Nice, because there's dangling modifier here. እዚህ ጋር misplaced modifiers አሉ። Nice. Which option most logically completes the sentence? ይሄን አረፍተ ነገር ኮምፕሊት የሚያደርገው የትኛው ነው? Having driven around the block blank. Network crashed. Lula cried the car. The feather cried the car. The tree began to sway. So here, having driven around the car, there is a person here. Lula cried the car. Exactly. ይሄ ነው implied subject እና principal subject ተመሳሳይ መሆን አለበት መሆን ያለው። ስለዚህ having driven perfect participle ማለት ነው ማለት አይደል? Having driven around the block, Lula cried the car. Exactly. That's meaningful, please. ሌሎቹ ግን ሊሆኑ አይችሉም። Yes, right. 16. While typing on the computer, the kitten sat down. The type of sentence error. Yes. While typing on the computer, the kitten sat down. Yes, right. Dangling ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። Dangling because የሚሰጣችሁ ጉዳይ አለ ፍንጭ የሚሰጣችሁ ነገር አለ እዚህ ጋር dangling modifiers. Dangling modifier. When typing the computer, one phrase no here, and the kitten sat down. ሌላ element no, they are not similar actually. So the problem here is dangling. Question number 70. Which one of the following sentence is correct? Correct. ትክክለኛ የሆነው አረፍተ ነገር የትኛው ነው? Entering the room, the light went off. No meaning. Dangling ነው. Actually subjecቶቹ ተመሳሳይ አይደሉም። Entering the room, I found the light went off. Yeah, entering the room, I found the light went off. Exactly. Why found it? To make parallel subjects, I found, I saw, I hear ልል እችላለሁ። Right? ተመሳሳይ የአረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት ለመፍጠር ለማግኘት እንደነዚህ አይነት ወርዶች ልጠቀም ይችላል። Sometimes I found. Right. Not entering the room, the light was found off by me. No. Entering the room, the room was found. No. So entering the room, I found. ይሄ ማለት yes, right. While entering the room, I found the light went off. While I was entering the room, I found the light went off. Or entering the room, I found the light went off. Of course, the same subject. The door is I myself. So I simply create this dangling modifier just like this phrase. So the answer is here. Choose the correct sentence from Milach. Question number 18. While running in the dark, his hand was dislocated. All right, nice. While running in the dark, his hand which was dislocated. No relative clause is necessary here. While running in the dark, it was his hand that dislocated. No meaning. While running his hand, he dislocated his hand. Absolutely right here. አረፍተ ነገሩ ራሱ የሚሰጣችሁ ነገር አለ። የሚዋራው ስለ እሱ እጅና ስለ እሱ አይደለም። ስለሱ እጅና ስለሱ አይደለም። ስለሆነ ነገርና ስለሱ አይደለም። የሚዋራው ስለሱና ስለሱ እጁ ዲስሎኬት መሆኑ ብቻ ነው የሚዋራው። He dislocated his hand. Right. While running in the park, he dislocated his hand. Meaningful. This is dangling modifier. Please ሌሎቹ ናቸው። Basically dangling modifier ስታሰሙ ሁለቱ ሰብጀክቶች ፓራላል መምጣት መቻል አለባቸው። ኤግዛክትሊ ይሄ ማለት while he was running ማለት እኮ ነው በነገራችን ላይ while running in the park ማለት he was running in the park ማለት ነው። ወደ participle phrase ቀይረን ልናስተካክለው እንችላለን። Question number 90. Which one of the following sentences is correct? The man was short who stole my purse. No meaning because there is a modifier but it doesn't modify what it wants to modify. Modifier አለ ግን modify የሚያደርገው አልገለጸም። The man who stole my purse was short. ምንም ጥርጥር የለም። ይሄው እዚህ ጋር yes, right here. The man who stole my purse was who stole my purse. ይሄ we can say that modifier ትሉታላችሁ። modifier misplaced modifier እዚህ ጋር wrongly practice የሆነ ነገር ነበር አለ who stole my purse? This is who stole my purse is relative clause ነው and dangling modifier ነው ይሄ modify የሚያደርገው ማን ነው modify የሚያደርግላችሁ ይሄን ነው modify የሚያደርገው አይደል ይሄን ነው modify the man የሚለው ነው modify የሚያደርግላችሁ the man የሚለው ነው ይሄ እንደዛ ከሆነ identify ያደረገ subject ማለት እኮ ነው አይደል the man who stole my purse was short the man was short main clause ነው this relative clause exactly misplaced modifier wrong right sentence A no ሌሎቹ the man was short which no the man who stole my purse was short no meaning at all. Question number 20 while going to the office blank this is still dangling modifier because it begins with the principal subject ጀመረው a fox chased me no person implied subject simply just as person መጀመር አለበት or በpronoun መጀመር አለበት not receiver ወይም በኤጀንት አይደለም የሚጀምረው a fox chased me meaningless the fox chased me meaningless I was chased by a fox exactly ቀደምን በያለው አንዱ dangling modifier ምናሳክልበት መንገድ implied subjectን በpassive voice ልንገልጸው እንችላለን ካልሆነ አንዳንድ ቨርቦችን ልንጨምር እንችላለን ምክንያቱም ታርጌቴ እዚህ ጋር ያለው principal እና implied subject parallel ማምጣት ስለሆነ while going to the office I was chased by a fox ልክ ነው while I was going to the office I was chased by a fox ልክ ነው right so the answer is here አረፍተ ነገሩ የሚያወራው I myself ስለኔ ነው የሚያወራው ማለት ነው question number 21 choose the sentence with misplaced modifier yes the salesperson saw the shirt with the blueprint to the man yeah የትኛው አረፍተ ነገር ነው misplaced modifier ያለው ነው የሚላችሁ right misplaced modifier ያለው የትኛው ነው የሚላችሁ ያ on his way to school Abraham found a woman's yellow bag yes Abraham found a woman's yellow bag yes John ate a cup of coffee for breakfast ልክ ነው on his way to school Abraham found a yellow woman's bag here right sentence no so the answer is here because there is a modifier ማነች እቺ ነች modifier take care please friend is take care please yeah እንዴ ነው የምትገጹት ይሄው modifier እቺን አይደለም modifier የምታረገው እኮ እቺ right place wa አይደለም ይሄ Abraham found a yellow woman's bag ይሄ ማለት ነው a yellow woman's bag ነው የምትሉት a woman's yellow bag is meaningless right because this color doesn't modify this one but it comes after the verb so the problem is here change problem question number 22 what does the following sentence need ምንድነው ያረፍተ ነገር የሚፈልጋው ሚላችሁ meaningful አይደለም actually የሆነ ነገር የጎደለው ነገር አለ yeah planning on getting married for over a year the sentence correct it's not correct please meaningful አይደለም the group of words in the dependent clause and can't stand alone as sentence the group of words in it is a dependent clause and can't stand alone dependent clause ነው can't stand alone በራሱ ትርጉም አይሰጥም ነው የሚላችሁ the group of words in a sentence a missing a verb it cannot be stand alone as a sentence yeah ምንም ይጎላቸዋል ነው የሚላችሁ እዚህ ጋር verb የለውም ስለዚህ ትርጉም ሊሰጥ አይችልም ትርጉም ካልሰጠ ደግሞ በራሱ ሊቆም አይችልም ከሌለ ና the group of words in the run on comma አይደለም run on comma splice አይደለም እዚህ ጋር ይሄ ስለዚህ ምንድነው የሚሆነው verb የለውም exactly verb የለውም ይሄ ያንብቡት planning on getting married for over a year no verb actually right no verb simply is a phrase ነው clause እንኳን አይደለም phrase ነው ስለዚህ ምን ይጎለዋል verb ይጎለዋል ሚስ ተደርጓል verbuና በራሱ ትርጉም ሊሰጥ የሚችል sentence አይደለም ወይም phrase አይደለም ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ C question number 20 which is a run on sentence you know the definition of run on sentence please two main clauses cannot be separated with any kind of punctuation mark run on ነው ምንም አይነት punctuation mark ሳይኖረው our English teacher gives us a lot of tests no there is a comma here there is a test today I hope you study for it exactly yeah ይሄ ነው በቃ ጨረሳችሁ ይሄው there is a test today one clause one sentence I hope you studied for a lot there is another clause but no punctuation mark between them these are examples of run-on sentence there is a comma here there is a comma here ሌሎቹ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም this is the way you identify the sentence which is run-on sentence actually right interesting place question number 24 the airport is just about to shut down because of the snow, and if the plane doesn't land soon, it will have to go on to Boston. Fig their own sentence ነው የሚላችሁ። ይህን አረፍተ ነገር ረን ኦን ሰንተንስ ስታደርጉት እንዴ ምንድነው የሚጨምሩበት ነው የሚላችሁ። yes ረን ኦን ሰንተንስ አድርጉት ነው የሚላችሁ። ረን ኦን ሰንተንስ ማድረግ ደግሞ ይቻላል። አራት መንገዶች አሉ። ከአራቱ መንገድ አንዱን ተጠቅማችሁ ረን ኦን ይቻላል። of course አሁን ምንድነው የሚላችሁ ስናው የሚለው ላይ ኮማ ክተቱና ኤንድ ክተቱ ነው የሚላችሁ። ቢ ስናው የሚለው ላይ ሰሚኮሎን አድርጋችሁ ኤንድ ክተቱ ነው የሚላችሁ። ስናው የሚለው ላይ ኮሎን አድርጉና ኤን ካፒታል አድርጉ ነው የሚላችሁ። this not run on sentence አይደለም ነው የሚላችሁ። exactly run on sentence ነው። so simply you can put a comma and write just like this, right? እንደዚህ ያደርጋችሁ። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው ማለት ነው? ስናው and the coordinating conjunction here ዛጋ። ምክንያቱም ሁለቱም ሜን ክሎዞች አሉ። ስለዚህ በዚህ መልኩም ታስቀው ስናው and comma and coordinating conjunction. so this sentence is run on sentence አደረጋችሁት። አሁን correct አደረጋችሁት። correct. After finding out that he bought a used shirt, he went to the store to return it. ምን አይነት ሰንተንስ ነው የሚላችሁ? After finding out that he bought a used shirt, he went to the store to return it. This simple sentence, a sentence which has one main clause. Compound to main clause can be joined with coordinating conjunction. Complex, there is at least two or more dependent and independent clause. And compound complex, ልክ እንደዛ ነው። እዚህ ጋር የሚያሳያችሁ ምንድነው? There is one dependent clause here. After finding out he bought a used shirt, he went to the store to return it. So what kind of sentence is this? Yes, complex sentence ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። After finding out that he bought a used shirt, he went to the store to return it. There is after finding out that he bought a used shirt, one main clause አለ እዚህ ጋር of course ምንም አያስቸግራቸውም። compound complex አይደለም። so the answer is complex sentence ነው የምትሉት። complex sentence at least minimum አንድ ራሱን ያቻለ አረፍተ ነገር ከአንድ main clause ጋር ስታገናኙት we can get the complex sentence. The conjunction here is after here, right? This summer our vacation should be both exciting and restful. This summer our vacation should be both exciting and restful. Simple sentence, yes. Compound sentence ካለ coordinating conjunction አለ። complex ካለ dependent እና independent አለ። compoundም እንደዚሁ at least two main clause አለ and one or two dependent clause አለ አይደለም። ስለዚህ what kind of sentence is this? Simple sentence ነው. It doesn't matter whether the predicates are compound and maybe the subjects are compound, complete, but it's for our focus is only one main clause, right? አንዱ ፎከሳችን አንድ main clause ብቻ ነው። This summer our vacation should be both exciting and restful. Compound predicate no, but it doesn't affect the type of sentence. So this is an example of simple sentence. Compound subject ሊሆን ይችላል፣ compound predicate ሊሆን ይችላል፣ compound complete subject ሊሆን ይችላል፣ compound complete predicate ሊሆን ይችላል። no difference። ምክንያቱም compound ቢሆንም complete ቢሆንም ፎከሳችን አንድ main clause ብቻ መሆን አለበት ነው እያልኩ ያለሁት። Question number 27. Those clouds promise rain. So we should hurry up and leave before we get caught in a flash. Yes, right. These clouds promise rain, so we should hurry up and leave. እዚህ ጋር ያለው compound ማለት ነው አይደል? compound ይሄው compound complex ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። compound complex ካላችሁ ልክ ነው። yes. These clouds promise rain, one main clause, so we should hurry up and leave. So this compound before we get what? A caught in a flash flood. Complex sentence. Compound complex ማለት at least ሁለት main clauses እና ቢያንስ አንድና ከአንድ በላይ ምን ሊኖር ይችላል? dependent clause አለ። ስለዚህ ይሄ የሚያሳያችሁ compound complex sentence ነው። ከcomplex sentence ይለያያል። nice. Question number 28. Which one of the following topic sentence refers to argumentative writing? Types of paragraph writing. Argumentative writing, its main purpose is to convince the readers or the listener convince there are two controversial ideas or debatable views አለ እዚህ ላይ So computer has many uses. This is expository now. Though mobile has advantages, it has some disadvantages. Yeah, ሁለት ጉዳዮች ናቸው የምትዋሯቸው ስለ ጥቅሙና ስለ ጉዳቱ ያከራከራችሁ ሐሳቡ መጨረሻ ላይ አንባቢውን ኮንቪንስ ማድረግ ይሄ ርዕስ በጣም ለአርጊመንታቲቭ ራይቲንግ ምቹ የሆነ ነው። Learning through plasma TV is important. Expository ነው። Mozart was musical composer. Simply expository or narrative ነው የምታውቁት ስለ ሞዛርት 86 ይመስለኛል ኮምፖዘር ነው። yes ሙዚቃን በአለም ላይ ያስተዋወቀ ኮምፖዘር ነው actually ይሄ ናሬቲቭ ነው የምትጽፉት ስለዚህ ቢ ብላችሁ ነው የምትመልሱት nice right people who drink polluted river water are affected by bilharzia this type of sentence can be written through what ይሄ አንድ ቶፒክ ሰንተንስ ቢሰጣችሁ ነው የሚላችሁ ይሄ ቶፒክ ሰንተንስ ቢሰጥ በየትኛው ሜትድ ኦፍ ፓራግራፍ ራይቲንግ ዴቨሎፕ ታደርጉታላችሁ ነው classification ማለት if there is a title then you are going to classify or categorize in terms of branches in terms of different events in terms of different items the way that write your paragraph is classification categorizing of things yeah comparison there are two things you compare and contrast what about cause and effect there is cause and there is effect here cause አለ effect ካለ cause አለ cause effecቱን ያወዳደር እየገለጽ ምን ይሄድ ከሆነ cause effect paragraph writing ነው contrast ሁለት ሐሳቦችን ያነጻጽር ምን ይሄድ ከሆነ contrast paragraph writing ነው እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው people who drink polluted river water affected by bilharzia ምንም ጥርጥር የለውም እኮ ያ bilharzia result ነው effect ነው cause ደግሞ ምንድነው polluted water መጠጣቱ ነው ስለዚህ ይሄን ሐሳብ ብሰጣችሁ እኔ በcause and effect paragraph development method ነው የምጽፉት ማለት ነው በclassification አይደለም you don't have any idea to classify you don't have anything two things you comparison you compare you don't have any two things which you contrast but there is cause effect here the cause is drinking polluted river water and the effect for drinking polluted water is bilharzia simply you can read this paragraph with cause effect paragraph writing nice people can improve their communicative skills in many ways such as they use real life topics practice everywhere they go and live and there are another ways this piece of writing can be developed ይሄ ርዕስ ብሰጣችሁ by the way ይሄ የተጀመረ ፓራግራፍ ነው ይሄን የተጀመረ ፓራግራፍ እንደዚህ ብሰጣችሁ እናንተ ጨርሱ ብትባሉ በየትኛው የፓራግራፍ አጻጻፍ መንገድ ጽፉታላችሁ ነው comparison classification category የለም computer has this category this branch ብዬ ብጽፍ classification አለው exemplification ካላችሁ ልክ ነው exemplification ወይም we can say illustration ለተቀመጠለት ቶፒክ ሰንተንስ ምሳሌ እየሰጣችሁ ፓራግራፉን ዴቨሎፕ የምታደርጉ ከሆነ exemplification ለምሳሌ Ethiopia is rich in endemic animals such as the wally ibok the chilada babol እያልኩ describe እያልኩ የምገልጽ ከሆነ this types of paragraph is exemplification if we just write definition ይሄ ደግሞ ሌላ ጉዳይ ነው definition you can start a paragraph by giving the correct definition of the word yeah deforestation is the cutting down of trees and ብዬ የምቀጥል ከሆነ ፓራግራፉን በእንደም ጽፈው definition ብዬ ነው ማስቀምጠው he did it very well blank he was not productive he did it very well blank he was not productive yeah nonetheless so as a matter of fact even so nonetheless exactly ማሳየት የፈለኩት conjunctive adverbs ሁለት ሜን ክሎዞችን ያያይዛሉ ግን ምን አስከትለው semicolon and comma please they are exceptional because they are firstly adverb ናቸው and function does a conjunction ናቸው they are preceding with semicolon and followed by a comma yes right nonetheless he did very well nonetheless he was not productive ሌሎቹ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም question number 32 depending on the context of the paragraph you write your writing sentence do not have similar sentence structure and your paragraph will be meaningful this quality of your paragraph is ምንድነው ነው የሚላችሁ በመጽፉት የፓራግራፍ ሐሳብ አይነት ምጽፉት በፓራግራፍ ውስጥ በተጠቀሟቸው አረፍተ ነገሮች የተለያዩ ናቸው የተለያየ ሐሳብ ሊገልጹ የሚችሉ ስትራክቸር ተጠቀማላችሁ እንደዛ ከጻፋችሁት ፓራግራፉ ትርጉም አለው ይሄ ደግሞ የትኛው የፓራግራፍ ኳሊቲ ነው unity singleness of idea ነው እሱን አይደለም እየጠየቃችሁ ያሉት order ideas in a paragraph should be coherently ordered መሆን አላቸው completeness the paragraph should be complete and meaning variety yes right variety basic quality ነች በነገራችን ላይ basic quality ነች basic writing I have a problem in writing basic writing I have a problem this problem no that's not a kind of paragraph simply jotting of using simple sentence that doesn't mean paragraph writing, but depending on the context, on the title that you are going to write, the structure of the sentence should be variety. If it is variety, the paragraph is meaningful actually, and readers understand what you write. ዝም ብለን አንድ ፓራግራፍ ጽፍ ዝም ብዬ በሲንግል ሰንተንስ በሲምፕል ሰንተንስ ዴቨሎፕ ማድረገው ከሆነ ሚኒንግ አይሰጠኝም። ግን ቫራይቲ ማለት sometimes simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex, complex sentence እያደረግን ፓራግራፉን ምንጽፈው ከሆነ ሐሳባችን የተለያየ ሐሳብ ይመጣል። ሚኒንግፉል የሆነ ፓራግራፍ ነው። ይሄ ቤስ ኳሊቲ ኦፍ ቫራይቲ ማለት ቫራይቲ ቫራይቲ እኮ ጥሩ ነው። S33 is undeniably true that the role of mobile phone in the school has a number of significances. However, it encourages the students to play games, watch educational films, and use for inadvisable things. This kind of paragraph is called descriptive, narrative, expository, argumentative. Alright, argumentative. አከራካሪ ማለት ነው። አነጻጻሪ ማለት ነው። አነጻጻሪ yes. አድቫንቴጁን እስካስቀምጠና ከዛ በኋላ ሃይቨር ብሎ የዚህን ተቃራኒ ሐሳብ እዚህ ጋር አርጊው ማድረግ ፈለገ ወይም ኮንቪንስ ማድረግ ሲፈልግ argumentative paragraph writing ነው። expository አይደለም፣ narrative አይደለም፣ descriptive paragraph writing አይደለም። የት ነው ፍንጭ ያገኘሁት? however the conjunction itself. Nice. 34 technology is important for students in the school in many ways. It introduces recent experience such as virtual learning, lectures, learning from academic journals. This piece of writing is likely to be expository in a way, narrative in a way, descriptive in a way, argumentative አይደለም። ሁለት ነገሮች አሉ እዚህ ጋር descriptive ማለት vivid image አይሰራም። smart adjectives አሉ፣ የሚገለጽ ነገር የለም። narrative አይደለም፣ ምክንያቱም narrate የሚደረግ ጉዳይ አለ። because one of the way that I identify narrative paragraphs, there are mostly the writers use narrative sentences ይጠቀማል። ናሬቲቭ ከሌሎቹ ቢጠይበት ነገር ምንድነው? ናሬቲቭ ቴንሶችን ይጠቀማል። እዚህ ጋር ናሬቲቭ ቴንስ የለንም። ስለዚህ ኤክስፖዚሽን ነው አንደኛ እዚህ ጋር። ሁለተኛ ስለ ቴክኖሎጂ እኮ ነው አንባቢን ማሳወቅ የፈለገው መረጃ መስጠት የፈለገው እኮ ስለ ቴክኖሎጂ how technology is important for students in the school, right? ይሄን እነዚህ ነገሮችን ያሳያል፣ ያሳውቃል። ቨርቹዋል ለርኒንግ just እያለ ነው እያስተማረ ያለው። it gives information to the readers, it explains its purpose, explaining, giving information, expository paragraph writing. Nice. Question number 35. They both have wings and feathers for flying, but the smallest birds have long beaks for eating insects and for picking wood. The biggest birds have huge long necks and legs. This sort of paragraph can be developed through comparison and contrast. Exactly. ያው ሁለት ኢቨንቶች አሉ ብያቸዋለሁ ቅድም። ሁለት ነገሮችን እያወዳደረና እያነጻጸረ የምንጽፍበት they both have wings here. ሲሚላሪቲያቸውን ገለጸ። ኮምፓሪሰን ማለት ነው። they both have wings and feathers for flying. yes. ተመሳሳይነታቸው but አለን the smallest birds have long beaks for flying. yes. the biggest contrast አመጣያችሁት አይደለ? comparison and contrast paragraph writing ይሄን ሐሳብ ሰጣችሁ ልክ በዚህ መልኩ ነው የምጽፉት። exactly that's true. 36 propaganda is the process of propagating people to get support by introducing their political agenda and their objective. They might use various propagating strategies such as distributing brochures, pamphlets, meeting, and media. This paragraph method is definition. Where is definition? Exactly. Definition ያልኳችሁ ነው because the paragraph begin with the definition of the correct definition of propaganda. በሱ ነው የጀመረው ማለት ነው። Question number 37. Which one of the following is not supporting details from the topic sentence? ኢምፖርታንት ነው በነገራችን ላይ ይሄ በጣም ኢምፖርታንት ፓርት ነው። የቤዚክ ራይቲንግ የመጀመሪያው ቋሩ ይሄ ነው። Plaza is the most quality hotel in the town. ስለ ፕላዛ ሆቴል ነው። by the way ይሄ ነው ኮ supporting detail ነው። controlling idea ይሄ ነው። quality what makes plaza hotel quality ያለው ምንድናቸው? እሱን ሰቡት ኳሊቲ ሰርቪሱ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ክሊንላይነሱ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ እዛ ጋር የሚዘጋጀው ፕሪፓሬሽን ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ኮምፎርታቢሊቲ ሊሆን ይችላል or maybe just even the price itself ዋጋው ሊሆን ይችላል። have you seen አምስት ጉዳዮችን ዘረዘርኩላችሁ። እነዚህ ነገሮች ፕላዛ ሆቴልን ኳሊቲ ሆቴል ያሰኙታል። ከነዚህ ውጭ ከሆነ of course ፓራግራፉ ልንጽፍ አንችልም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ the service they give is remarkable. exactly. cleanliness right ልክ ነው። Alex Hotel ነው ስለ Alex Hotel ምን አገባንኛ ስለ Alex Hotel አይደለም ስለ ኳሊቲ ስለ ፕላዛ they are recreation of course ልክ ነው እነዚህ ጉዳዮች ናቸው ኳሊቲ የሚያሳዩ ስለዚህ ኳሊቲ ምንድነው ይሄ ኮንትሮሊንግ አይዲያ ትላላችሁ እሱን ማወቅ ነው መዘርዘር ነው actually ከዛ ውጭ የሆነ ሐሳብ ዩኒፊኬሽኑን አጠፋው irrelevant idea ነው ስለዚህ irrelevant ideaውን አውጡ ነው ጥያቄው የሚላችሁ you can just do on this way please question number 38 from the given supporting details which one do you think is the best topic sentence አሁን supporting details እዚህ ጋር ተሰጥቷቸዋል ለነዚህ supporting detail topic sentence-ን summarize አድርጋችሁ ታስቀምጡት የትኛው ነው ነው የሚላችሁ we can learn from my peers we can learn various things from the environment we can get some important things from parents and we can learn from our teachers አራት ጉዳዮች አሉ የትኛው ነው topic sentence ሊሆን የሚላችሁ learning comes from different ways right ከተለያየ መንገድ ትምህርትን መማር እንችላለን ነው the only way to learn is the school ትምህርት ቤት ብቻ ነው የሚላችሁ learning depends on the environment ብቻ ነው የሚላችሁ learning is important for man yes right yeah እንደዚህ ይሄን topic sentence ብሰጣችሁ ጻፉ ብትባሉ እነዚህን ሐሳቦች ነው የምታስቀምጧቸው learning comes in different ways comes in different ways from peers the environment parents from teachers exactly so the right one please question number 39 which one the following is the best conclusion from the following supporting details ተሰጥቷችሁ conclusion እንዴት ሊሆን ይችላል it has attractive compound the teachers are experienced there is technology supported teaching learning the school has adequate school resource and furnitures yes attractive compound experienced teachers technology supported the school has adequate school resource yes right most of the students hate to learn there no the school is desirable place to learn the school fee is expensive it has several classrooms so መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው desirable place favorable comfortable place to learn እነዚህ ነገሮች ትምህርት ቤቱ ምን ያደርጉታል desirable favorable place ያደርጉታል ፓራግራፋችሁን ኮንክሉድ ስታደርጉ በእንደነዚህ አይነት ሐሳብ ነው ሰመራይዝ አድርጋችሁ ምጽፉት ምክንያቱም መነሻችሁ እነዚህ ክሊር የሆኑ ሰፖርቲንግ ዲቴይሎች ናቸው ሌሎቹ actually conclusion ways አይደሉም or ways of conclusion አይደሉም the last question here which one of the following sentences is different from the others in terms of unification of the paragraph with the given topic sentence online learning has a lot of significance yes ምንድነው የሚላችሁ ይሄ topic sentence አላችሁ ለዚህ topic sentences unified ወይም ፓራግራፉ ተመሳሳይ ሐሳብ እንዲኖረው ከሚያደርጉት ውስጥ የትኛው አንዱ ነው ወይም አንዱ የትኛው ነው ነው የሚላችሁ which one of the following sentences different from the others in terms of unification of the paragraph with the given topic sentence online learning has a lot of significance ስለ significance ነው የምትዋሩት online learning subject ነው ይሄ controlling idea ነው significance ምንድነው we have got different experience of course we can improve our communicative skills of course it saves time and energy of course it develops dependency of course ምንድነው የሚላችሁ which one of the following is different from the others in terms of different from the others ማለት is not under this topic sentence የተለየ የሆነው ማለት supporting detail የማይሆነው ማለት ነው is different from የተለየ የሚሆነው ነው ወይም የዚህ topic sentence supporting detail ያልሆነው ነው we have got different experience of course ልክ ነው it develops dependency no so the answer is 1 D ብለን መጣለን these are the 40 basic writing exit exam questions actually I want to just touch the different contents of basic writing skill I think the approach of your exit exams just like this maybe I want to just make you alert about the approach maybe the type of questions which appears from basic writing skill if you read and if you watch the video maybe 1 or 2 times I hope you will do and you'll be successful and you will achieve your final goal means achieving for your exit exam maybe your exit exam is not different from this one actually you're right exit exam አችሁ ከዚህ የተለየ ሊሆን አይችልም basically መነካካት የሚገባኝ ነገር ተነካክቶላችኋል I think that's enough for today anyway anything which is not clear you comment it but don't forget to subscribe like and share my channel
I'm Mr. Kabada from Family English Language Improvement Center. Thank you for the time being, please.